So, before you sit down, please, hakita ka sa speaker underneath. Nagka-add yung
Okay, classmates, follow me. Okay. And count with me as well. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how are you today, class?
We're
That's good. How many are you in class, Miss Ricari? Cherry May? How many are you in class? 20. Please count off.
1,
2,
3,
4,
6,
5,
6,
7, 8, 9, 11. Oh, I 11. Okay. Okay, so before we proceed, here's my classroom rules. So everyone, okay, thank you, Romel. So please, everyone, read. Classroom rules. Be prepared for the class. Raise your right hand when you want to speak. Listen attentively when someone is reciting. Finish executive tasks on time. Participate in any class activities. Be quiet when the teacher is talking. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. So now, I have here a learning objectives. I have here a word game. So this game is called word puzzle. So I want you to find and circle vocabulary words. The hidden words may be arranged horizontally or vertically. Write your answer on the green board. Write your answer in the green board. So who wants to volunteer? Okay. Please stand up. Romel. Yes.
Wala yung dito.
Don't worry, class, because there are 10.
What's that? That's nice.
Ay,
ako!
to break that. So next. Okay, Jerry.
United States.
Next.
No, this side.
Okay, Jeremy. Next. Darrell. Next. Okay, Rose Jean. Next. Patient. Reggie.
2, 4, 6, so 10.
Yes, it's all
1,
Give chance to others. Next. Okay, Francie. United States. Next. 9. Mom. Okay, Jerry. 19. That's one. Okay, Romel. That's one. Stand.
Front.
Right and state.
Ay, tama! Ma'am.
Sabi mo na.
Now, next.
Wait,
Merchant. Paul.
City.
19.
Wala na class?
Kaya pa, break ka.
No. There are only one word, right? Start with the letter F. F. F.
Front.
The last word is T. Okay. Okay. Okay, and it's start with the letter R and with the letter B. Yes, and there are only 3. I mean hours.
Asa mo rat them?
Okay, class, you think your answer is correct?
Yes,
Okay, but there are one word I want. Yeah, number 8 is hula. So So now, from those words, what do you think is our topic today? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, Darren.
I think our topic for this afternoon is somewhat connected to dance.
Okay, thank you very much. Another? What are those words? Yes. Okay. I think those words are the benefits of what we're going to tackle today and be related. Okay, very good. Thank you, Francine. Now, before I proceed to our topic, I would like to introduce my incentive or score Starbucks. So, there are two groups, which is blue and a green group. And under your table, there is a color, there's a color paper that represents your color. Your group. Right? And then, and then this star popsicle to represent also your points. So if I ever put a popsicle star in your box, that means you cooperate with me or you answer my question. So here's and this area will be the group blue and this area will be the group green. So you can now go to your Hey, are you in a group class? Are you in your group class? Yes, okay, very good. So now let's proceed to our. Before that, this is the vocabulary that I just. Very good. So now let's proceed to our topic. So everyone, please read. What is hip hop? Hip hop is cultural movement that incorporates four pillars. Okay.
Teaching, breaking, and visual or graffiti art.
For that class, I forgot something, so I want you to read my learning objectives.
At the
end of the lesson, the students should be able to discuss the nature and background of hip hop, name the benefits of hip hop, and perform different activities about history and benefits of hip hop. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. So these four pillars are also generated a cultural revolution that rapidly spread across the global. So the global influence of hip hop culture has shaped music, styles, entertainment, and art, language, dance, and etc. So this day, hip hop continues to be global phenomenon, developing the new arts form that impact the youth and the old, and the new and old generation. So next, and everyone, history okay, Francine. Okay, Francine. History of hip hop. The elements of hip hop. Hip hop came together in the Bronx of New York City. It was in early 1970s and times were tougher than usual for the poorer parts of urban America. So migration changed demographics and divided communities, which resulted in a decline in the economy as well as an increase in crime, gang violence, and poverty. So in early 1970s, there are what we call crises in the New York City um, where the some of the parts of the urban in America get like what we call turn naapektuhan because of this crisis and the migration changed demographics and communities which will the economy. And the demographics of the said city had changed, and that's why it resulted in a decline of. Okay, okay. Francie, what group are you? Group
Blue.
Okay, you have a
Wala.
Okay, so that means that in the early 1970s, New York was experienced crisis, and then the creation changed demographic divided community, which result that so many depends community as well as increases the price. So the when the crisis was experienced in New York early 1970s, there are so many um, crime, gun violence, and poverty of that city. So next. Okay, so as a result of that, what do you think is happen next? Everyone? Because of the crisis of New York City, what do you think is happen next?
It can decline.
Another?
Violence.
Please raise your right hand if you want to answer. Staying on? Okay, so because of that, the hip hop was created. So as a result, many jobs opportunities and entertainment options vanished as the business and shut their doors. Urban youth as a form of entertainment or self-expression. So instead of they just do a something crime or uh something like that. So they pursue themselves uh to do a hip hop dance since since the hip hop is started the year. So as you can see, the mass popular music genres in Spotify right now is a hip hop. So do you think there is a benefits of hip hop class? Yes. Okay, very good. So give me one. Okay, Sherry. So it improved flexibility, mom. Yes. Because when someone is doing hip hop, mom, so mas mas kung pwede sila sige og kanang tawag na sige sila sayo og hip hop, mom, kay murag mas makuan pa nila, mas ma-flexible pa sila, ma'am, kay di ba kita na sa the way ang hip hop mo mag-perform. Next. Wait, by the way, what group are you in? Luma. Okay, so you have already 2 points. So, okay, Darrell, 1.
Burning on reduces stress and anxiety. As you have mentioned, it is hip hop is a way of someone expressing whatever they feels inside. So by doing that, by engaging into hip hop activities or hip dance, it is a great way to reduce stress and anxiety. And because of that, because of that, it will also by increasing by engaging that kind of activities, it will also boost our confidence.
Okay, thank you. Darrell, what group are you in?
Green group.
Okay, green group is 1 point. Okay, next. Okay, Reggie, stand up.
So, one of the benefits of health benefits of hip hop is to improve cognitive abilities because as we dance, we tend to memorize those steps and it will exercise our brain to develop an ability to have for us to become a fast learner. That is why it's very important when we dance that we have that is why it's important to focus when we dance so that the steps that we memorize so that we can execute it properly.
Okay, thank you, Reggie. What group are you in?
Blue.
Okay,
Green.
green, ma'am. Okay,
Green
next.
turn.
Okay, Francine, help to promote teamwork. So, instead of fighting together or fighting each other, which resulted in a high percent of crime, why not we do hip hop, which promotes teamwork, and where they can be together as one, and they can build ties together and have a peaceful community or city. Okay, thank you, Francine. What group are you in?
Green. I'm blue. Blue.
Okay, next. Okay, Alisa, increase confidence because we all know that hip hop is kana kana hip hop kana mas gawin ng sayang hip hop is facial expression na kanang moves nga dili kita makita sa uban nga tao nga dapat kita nimo sa front of the people. Okay, thank you. Alisa, what group are you in? Green. Okay, group 3. They have already 3 points. Next. Okay. Giselle. Sige, stand up.
Enhances social
We
skills.
will know.
Guitar dancing, they can socialize other dancers from the dance room or new places.
Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you very much. What group are you in? Okay, group 3. So next. How many are okay, Rosie, stand up. One of the top reviews of that is a sentence for the moment. Bakit? Saya ka. Mas mo, di ko nila ko that's all. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much. Very good, Christine.
Blue. Blue.
Okay, go. Next.
Last color.
Okay, Dara.
Better cardiovascular health. Dancing is good for our heart. Okay? Through dancing, our breathing, proper breathing, control sa atong paginawa. Nakakuha niya siya ba sa kanang, mura siya nakatabang sa kanang overflow sa atong blood, nga kanang mas ang delicate ano na atong heart, na practice niya kanang pag-pump sa blood through engaging that kind of activity.
Okay, thank you very much. What group are you in?
Green. Blue.
So thank you very much for your cooperation also. Benefits of hip hop. One is okay, everyone please read.
Better cardiovascular health. Hip hop dancing is a great aerobic exercise. This form of exercise increases your heart rate, helps you realize endorphins, and eliminates waste from your system. Improve flexibility. Due to the wide range of moves used in hip hop dancing, a weekly dance class can help you build muscles and improve metabolism health.
Okay, so let's first we're gonna discuss about the better cardiovascular health. So just as I said earlier that it's helped us to have a better cardiovascular health. And so next we have improved flexibility. So next we have
Reduces stress.
everyone please read.
Reduces stress and anxiety. There are aerobic benefits of vigorous exercise, including boosting neurotransmitter activity. Studies suggest that 20 minutes of aerobic exercise is enough to help reduce tension and anxiety.
reduces confidence.
An
An often overlooked benefit is that dancing can increase your confidence through learning new skills.
Next.
Improves cognitive abilities. Researchers believe that exposure to dance and music can support cognitive development in children. Hip hop is also an excellent form of exercise for improving motor skills. Enhances social skills. Learning to follow directions in class and interacting with other dancers is a fun way to develop your social skills. Strengthen your bones. Dancing is a high-impact weight-bearing exercise that promotes stronger bones. It can help those at risk of developing osteoporosis. Helps promote teamwork. Physical activities like team sports have positive repercussions at work and school since they help you become a team player. Working on group choreographer and progressing with other dancers is a great way to learn about teamwork.
Okay, so overall physical fitness. Hip hop can improve overall physical fitness. It's improved by improve our flexibilities, just like I said earlier, and etc. So now, is that clear, class?
Yes,
ma'am. Okay, very good. So do you have any clarification or question? No, ma'am. So far, okay, very good. So now, this activity in the same group, each group must perform a role play and gesture. So for group 1, which is
Blue.
a blue group, is you perform a gesture, which is the benefits of hip hop. So the green group will be the role play. So you're gonna perform a role play of history of hip hop. So before I let you practice, I give you 5 minutes, and then this is your rubric. So everyone, please read.
Criteria. Content, cooperation, mastery. See, the content, we have excellent is 5, good is 3, and fair is 1.
Okay, so Yumina, go to your group. I give you 5 minutes. 5 Yes.
Dapat eh. Dapat. We are the devil, we are the devil. Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. Ay, miskin ka na kaya.
We are
actually. May mayo ano daw? Tatwa. Kita yun na.
So, you're so choose. One Kaya one lang yung unang one. Grade.
Brain.
So, the first performer will be the blue group. Yeah! Great! First performer will be the blue
Mama,
group.
sige mamahayin mo.
Next, kamu na. Okay.
Ayaw, wala ka tayo kung ano sa
Five,
Paano ko pag-bit? Nay, paano ko pag-bit?
Poverty. Crimes and violence. And economic loss is very rampant in New York City during 1970s. Everybody seems hopeless. But when they discover hip hop dancing, they see the light of glory and everything seems starting all over again. Everyone is rebuilding within themselves as they engage in dancing hip hop.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Okay, so for the group, for the first presenter, which is the blue group, you got a 13 points. So as well as the green group. Let's total of 15.
Five categories.
Yes. So in just in industry, you know. So now, I want you to get a 1 per paper and answer the questions. So everyone please read the direction. Everyone please read the direction.
Identify what is being asked on the following sentences.
Hindi daw, assuming nga nahuman na ng assessment.
Okay. Okay, so now, okay, I want you to advance reading about, or just advance searching when you learn anywhere. I want you to search street and hip hop dance style. Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. I think that's the end of our discussion or our topic today. You may now go to your next class.
Thank you very